Hey everybody, working on the '05 Escalade 6-liter. We're going to be replacing the tensioner and the idler and the belt on it because it's been making some squealing noises. So the boy right here is drawing a map because our map drawings are pretty bad. So he knows exactly how the belt goes back on. It's always a good idea to draw yourself a map before you take the belt off so you know which way the belt goes back on. All right, so G Junior got the belt off. He drew his map. So this is the idler. Can you hear it? That bearing's bad. And then the tensioner pulley over here won't barely spin. You can't even get it to spin. So I'm glad we bought both of them. The water pump seems okay. The alternator seems to be okay. And the power steering. So these two pulleys are bad.